Welcome to the Training Academy of Dr. Schutz. In this video, we're going to show you how you can remove a stubborn wax stain from a carpet floor with Super Stain Remover R. Super Stain Remover R is only available to professionals in the flooring trade. Super Stain Remover R is the professional among stain removers. It removes particularly stubborn stains which aren't water soluble. Old paint marks, lacquer, tar and many others can be removed with Super Stain Remover R. This wax stain has dried into the carpet and cannot be removed with most other cleaners. With Super Stain Remover R it is no problem. All you need is a teaspoon, an absorbent cloth and Super Stain Remover R. Spray over the stain briefly and allow the cleaner 30 seconds to have an effect. The wax begins to dissolve, and you can take off part of it with the back of the teaspoon. Remove the loosened wax and spray the spot underneath again with Super Stain Remover R. After a very short time, you have completely removed the wax.